Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy F05. So you have to start by powering off your device, so press power button and then select power off and then click power off again. And now once your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And now you have to use volume buttons to navigate to wipe data factory reset, and then press power button to select, and now move to factory data reset and press power button again. Now choose reboot system now to go back to your Android system. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform a phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.